Welcome to the channel. Okay, guys, your girl being me. Yes, I am doing it again. So, if you are not familiar with your girl's face, hey boo, how are you doing? To all of my sisters, to all of my daughters, to any and everybody. Guys, if you are here for it, I most definitely am. Now, I must say in the very beginning of this video, and guys, if you don't know, you gotta know your girl is trying. I am trying new things with my setups and things like that. So, in any event, girls, guys, anybody, everybody, if you know about my little rogue journey, then you know your girl has gotten another rogue, guys. I got this one pre-loved as well, but guys, there is, without a doubt, there is a twist with this bag. First, guys, if you're watching this video and we're basically a minute in, leave in the comments right now, right quick, what color do you think I got? What color bag do you think I got? And do you think I got a Rogue 12, 17, 26, well 25, 26, or 30? This bag is a little, this box is a little hefty. Okay, so guys, that's my little drum roll. So we are going to open this bag together. I did open the box. I did open the box already. Okay, and as you guys can see, this girl is, she is wrapped in another bag. So the seller that I purchased this bag from, okay, are you here for it? Now this bag is a little, this bag is giving a little big, guys. It's giving a little big. Okay. I need to have my own eyes closed. I'm excited. Guys, let me be transparent with you in this video. Hold on. I know you like, girl, shut up and come on. But, guys, I got to drop the tea right here. I purchased this bag, but this bag is not for me. I am giving this bag to another YouTuber, guys. And here's the thing about this. She doesn't even know that I am giving her this bag. I am giving her this bag, guys, because it was a few conversations that we were having, and I just was prompted to get her this bag. So she does not even know, okay? Let's be clear. She doesn't even know that I have first got her a bag. That's number one. Two, she doesn't know that I've made this video because it's content. But I wanted to wholeheartedly make this video for myself to remember when I got this bag for her. And I definitely hope, I'm not telling her to do that, but I hope she does make a video when she does realize I've got her this bag. Okay, guys, so let's continue. Hey. Okay, do you see it? Okay, I see it, guys. Look at this. Now this is, and I'm glad I purchased this for her. Okay, this is the straps or the handles or what. Okay, this is the strap that is wrapped up in the bag, guys. So okay, it's two. All right, I'm not super familiar with what this is, but we're gonna, you know, I'm gonna find out, right? This is two straps, and I think I did see something in the comments where the strap on the bag is relatively a new thing. Now this is This is what it says, guys, and hopefully you can see it real well on there. This gave me the opportunity, and this is the card. Everything is coming with this bag, guys. This bag is in phenomenal. Let me be clear with you with that. I don't know if you guys realize, but the robes that I am purchasing, you know, I am spending a pretty little penny on these girls, and they are worth every dime, guys. Oh my God, look at the tag. I love it. I love this piece on the backs. I think they are so beautiful. So this is a 25, and I'm glad for me, I kind of get to see that. Now, for me, this is big for this type of bag, because here's truth, guys. If you are just now coming across my channel and you've never heard me speak about my bags, this bag by itself, guys, this is leather and this is suede interior. Me just holding this bag, it has some weight on it, right? So if I was to get a Rogue 25, like, let's see my Marc Jacobs, this is the mini. I'm just doing a little comparison in size, guys. Now this size is perfect for me. My Morning Glory is a small, but it's not this heavy, guys, because, and I think that is because the craftsmanship, the quality of this bag, there is no staining, there is nothing inside of this bag. She is a pre-loved bag, but this bag is, she is nice enough, and I'm glad I have it. She's nice enough to give as a gift, guys, and this is most definitely a gift that I am giving to a fellow tuber, guys. And I just think that it is absolutely adorable. And guys, let me be transparent in this. I did speak, well, I have been speaking with her, and it was just, she did not say anything in the sort, let me be transparent here, she did not say anything in the sort of, you know, can you buy me a bag or any, it was none of that, guys. It was none of that. It was just merely in talking with her, and she said some things, and those things really stuck with me. And I'm just grateful. I am just grateful for her. And I wanted to get her this bag. Like, that's just the honest to God truth, guys. I wanted to get her this bag. This is her, not mine, you know. This is, blue is her favorite color. She does like a variety of blues, so it's not just this particular blue, but she loves all of the hues of blue, guys. So let's hope she really likes the bag. Guys, what do you think? Please leave in the comments what you think about this girl. I think she is going to be adorable. I definitely did want to see her for myself. I did see her, and I went over all the pictures when I ordered her from the seller that was selling the bag. So it did not disappoint. She is in really good condition to me. Like I said, guys, I would never give away anything to anyone if I did not feel like it was of really good quality. It does not have any type of smell or anything like that. It doesn't have any stains. It's not showing any hard wear or misuse or any of that. So guys, let's take a little quick looky look and see. I'm gonna assume that these go right here. Yeah, I'm gonna assume that that goes like this, because these the little hooks are right here. So I'm gonna assume that this goes just like this. Now, I'm not keeping this girl. This girl is a gift. But guys, this is the paper that you did see me. Okay, this little drop. And she is like me, guys. She is small. So I think the drop will be fine. She can also put these, she can put these handles inside of the bag. But it's giving. What do you guys think? Is it giving anything to you? I think it's giving. I definitely like that the straps are like this. This bag to me is a little big to be considered like a crossbody situation. So to me, guys, it is giving all that I want to receive. So if you was here for this little bag, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.